Ayan, so... Ayan, so palakpakan naman natin si Sina. Ayan, so everyone, ayan, let us all sing a happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, everyone, let us all shout happy birthday, Sina. In 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Sina! Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Sina. And of course, a simple message po ni Ma'am para sa kanyang mga guests.
Thank you. First of all, I want to say thank you for everyone who came here. For Sinag, ramdam ko yung dami nagmamalasaan ako, kaya I'm so thankful. Parang anak siya ng lahat. So, we're thankful. Tapos, sa pagdating dito, syempre sa effort and everything, it's, we know it's raining hard sa labas, and still, you made an effort to go here. So, thank you so much, and I hope you will have a very great afternoon. Thank you! Tatay naman!
Same lang din sa Ayun, maraming salamat sa lahat. Siyempre, lalong-lalo na sa pinakamatanda dito kay Lola. Lola, hindi maalis ng bahay yan eh. Nasa dulo rin, maraming salamat. Mga kaibigan, family, tsaka yung mga hindi nakapunta, thank you pa rin. Siyempre, nawalan nyo. Thank you.
Daddy Teo is there.
Ayan, thank you so much po. Ayan, pwede na rin po silang bagsyo po. Iwan po. So if you have any concerns or questions about the celebration, ayan, huwag pong mahiyang lumapit dahil tutulungan ko naman po sila. Ayan, so welcome po sa first birthday celebration of Sinag. But before that, ayan, let's have our Pampagana game. Ayan, so hahatiin lamang po natin ang ating crowd into 3 groups. Ayan. Ito po. In 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Sina!
How about the Team C? In 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Sina!
Ang lakas, hindi gutom si ate. Isa pa, sa Team A!
Happy birthday, Sina!
Sa Team B!
Happy birthday, Sina!
Parang... Ayan, and of course, ayan, nakakagsalita na po ba si Sinag? Hindi pa. Sige, si Mami or si Daddy na lang po ang magsasabi kung sino ang ating winner. Ayan, ano po firma? A, B, or C po? Kung may naalala, isa pa! Sa Team A!
Happy birthday, Sina!
Sa Team B!
Happy birthday, Sina!
Sa Team C!
Happy birthday, Sina!
Ano pong team, ma'am? Team C! So dahil dyan sila pa yung nakakatanggap na Bring Me Cell Phone! Okay, may narinig na po ba silang where to go? Wala pa! Ayan, practice lang. Okay, practice lang. Okay, so let's start na. Ito na, totoo na to. Okay, Ronald says, bring me cell phone charger gum! Ayan yung may mga charger. Ayan, ito. Okay, so may mga chargers. Sige, dito po tayo, Sarah. What is your name? Okay, can you tell us what is your message or a birthday wish for Sinag? Okay, what is your message or birthday wish for Sinag?
Para lumaki po siyang
Matalino.
Okay, lumaki daw matalino. How about Arem? Okay, si Van. So, ano ang message mo or birthday wish for si Mac? Ayan, happy birthday daw. So, meron po silang prize. Ayan.
Yeah, you must won the game.
Ayan, sa picture po. McDonald's! Inisa niya na. Magpa-franchise ata ito ng McDo. Isa pa. Ayan. Give an example of food sa McDonald's.
Wait, nila naman doon.
Okay, next si Kuya. Magbigay ng example. Lemon! Very good! Okay. Animals that has 4 legs.
Lion.
Lion din. Iba pa ang animal.
Tiger.
Tiger! How about Kuya? Animals that has 4 legs.
Tan.
Cat! Very good! Okay, next. Ayan, eto po. Wait lang po ng signal ng go. Ayan, in 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan. Action lang. Basketball is correct! Ayun. So, ganun lamang po rin. Raise hand lang po. Paunahan lang po mag-raise hand. Ayan. No coaching po sa ating audience. Golf is correct! Ayan. So, 1 point for boys. Ayan. Paunahan po mag-raise hand. Go! Okay. Yes, tennis! It's correct! Ang galing ng Ayan, iba ang action na naipasa sa grade.
din mo, pero ako masusunod. Athlete sana, athlete. Atleta. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Next year, uuwi ulit ako.
Happy birthday, Sina. I wish siya. Nasa likod niya lang kami, walang iyak. Nasa likod mo lang kami kahit anong mangyari. Be a very good girl and be like your tatay. Okay? Happy birthday, we love you so much.
Ayan, isa namang masigabong palakpakan po para sa ating parents ko. Ayan, so picture po muna kasama ating mga immediate family, kasama ating friendly characters po. Ayan, immediate family, mothers. Again, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, ayan sa father side naman. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, ayan, thank you po. Another one po. Ayan, another one. Ayan, thank you so much.
Kuya Marty. Picture mo na. Best dress. Grabe si
Ayan, congratulations. So, picture po muna. Ayan.
Yay! Lahat ng naka-kids na naka-costume best friend. Asa si ano? Picture mo na to. O sige, sige. Hindi ka na ng mga bebe dito. Dali. Picture lang tayo. Picture. Bebe, halika dito, bebe. It's okay. It's not you. It's ano. Imagination. Oo. Best friend. Axel, you have na Axel.
Okay na to our friendly characters. And to all the kids po, one line po tayo para sa ating Happy Meal Toy and also their giveaways po.